Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a custom watermark in TradingView. So if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this deal down in the description. In this deal, you are going to get up to 80% off on the TradingView subscriptions plus 1 month additional. So in order to add a custom watermark, simply come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now you just have to launch the chart in front of you. On this chart, you just have to click on the indicators tab here on the top. The indicator that we want to add over here is called watermark. So when you just simply type watermark over here, you will see a bunch of different watermark options. You can use this one, which is AGFX. So when you click on it, it will be placed here on the top of your chart. As you can see on the top, we have the AGFX trading watermark. So if you want to change it, simply click on the watermark label, then go to its settings. Over here in the title, you just have to change its title and keep it whatever you want to keep it. Then in the subtitles, you can add any subtitles if you want, or you can also just simply remove any kind of subtitles available here. Then you can just simply select the position of your watermark, whether you want to make it on top, then in the center, left and right. After that, you can change the symbol positions as well. You can change the size, you can change its color as well. So in the styles as well, you can make changes into this particular watermark, and when you hit OK, you will see that we have it here on the top. So this way you will be able to add a custom watermark in TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.